Hi there, my name is Bheki Motsa. I just want to take this time and give an update pertaining to the coronavirus pandemic. As a country, we've started discovering cases since the beginning of March. And then by the 27th of March, the entire country went into lockdown. It was a partial lockdown then, which was another 3 weeks where everything was pretty much shut down. And there were certain parts of the country that were completely shut down because they were considered to be the epicenter for the virus. In spite of all that, God has been with us. So the country has been in a state of emergency from the first week of May up until the second week of June. And in that period, government started opening up the economy gradually. However, we've noted with sadness that the number of cases has continued to shoot up as the economy was being opened. What we've discovered now as a nation is that more children are being infected, and that has been because their parents been going to work as essential workers, and then they'll come home. So now government has got into a stage where they want to reopen the schools. This week we have started with completing classes. They've just started their classes, and we are still evaluating to see if this virus is not gonna shoot up because of children being back in school. As a ministry, we have continued to help out in the different care points that we have. When this pandemic started and with all the lockdowns, we've been taking out food, and all our staff members have been deployed in different parts of the country where our ministry is happening to help checking up on people in terms of how they're doing, and also encouraging them and giving them hope around this whole situation. We have also continued to help out with those that needed medical care. Whenever there's been an emergency, people head away to let us know, and then we would help whichever way we needed to help in those situations. And then after the lockdown restrictions have been eased in the country, we have started a process of reopening the care points in a safer way. We've started with a few care points where we've made sure that there are some things in place like hand washing stations which are no touch, and also making sure that every kid at the care point have masks. So that process have been going on well. However, we've been taking it slowly to make sure that there are no issues. At this point, we've opened quite a number of our care points, but in those care points that haven't been opened yet, where some installations are going on, we have continued to deliver food there to make sure that all the children that need to eat are still having something to eat. I would love to take this time and appreciate all our partners and our friends for their prayers for us as we've been going through these difficult situations, for their generosity in helping us, giving out relief, food and supplies in different communities that we serve, and also in continuing to give to our ministry every month to make sure that we'll set our people up to start small businesses, to start some agricultural initiatives beyond this pandemic, which has affected everyone and everything within the country and affected the economy. We're very thankful for your support and for making sure that you've always prayed for us and just encouraged us through this difficult time. We trust God for a better future in spite of all that we've experienced as a nation. In all of this, we pray that God will bless you richly.